Dramatic scenes in Seoul after South Korea's president abruptly declared martial law on the democratic country, an extreme move usually reserved for cases of national emergency.
저는 북한 공산 세력의 위협으로부터 자유 대한민국을 수호하고 우리 국민의 자유와 행복을 약탈하고 있는 파렴치한 종북 반국가 세력들을 일거에 척결하고 자유 헌정 질서를 지키기 위해 비상계엄을 선포합니다.
The leader did not cite any specific threat from the country's nuclear-armed northern neighbour, instead focusing on his political opponents from the Democratic Party. Yoon, who won the presidency 2 years ago by a narrow margin, said the opposition had taken hostage of the parliamentary process to throw the country into crisis, holding a majority of seats and blocking legislation. Political observers say Yoon's late-night martial law announcement was an attempt to overthrow the parliamentary process and break the political deadlock. The unexpected move causing chaos in the capital. Hundreds of demonstrators descended on Parliament, clashing with police and military who surrounded the building, aiming to block lawmakers' access to the Assembly Hall. But more than half of the country's 300 legislators managed to get inside and voted unanimously to block Yoon's declaration of martial law.
190인 중 찬성 190인으로서 비상계엄 해제 요구 결의안은 가결되었음을 선포합니다.
Just hours later, the president adhered, as required by the country's constitution.
철수시켰습니다. 바로 국무회의를 통해 국회의 요구를 수용하여 계엄을 해제할 것입니다.
Military troops were ordered to stand down, and the night's events were seen as a triumph of democracy. But despite the reversal, Yoon's choice to implement such an extreme measure has only worsened his already poor standing with the public. The Conservative leader's approval rating was barely at 20%, and he was widely seen as ineffective and divisive. Yoon's actions will also have big implications beyond the country's borders, expected to affect relations with the US and the wider region. The United States has relied on South Korea and Japan as its most important allies in East Asia to combat threats from both North Korea and China.
So we have now these three key allies who have forged a close trilateral cooperation over the last year and a half, facing politically uncertain times. And I think that opens the door to potential North Korean and or Chinese and Russian moves to destabilize the region.
Two of Yoon's senior aides have now offered their resignation, and opposition leaders are calling for the president himself to step down.
내란죄를 피할 수 없습니다. 윤 대통령은 더 이상 정상적인 국정 운영을 할 수 없음이 온 국민 앞에 명백히 드러났습니다. 물러나라!
A demand echoed by protesters in Seoul, leaving the leader with not only a failed attempt to overthrow parliament, but an even deeper crisis that has his entire political career on the line. Dolphine Chen and Rosie Greninger for Taiwan Plus.